Welcome to Future Wheels. Kia is shaking up the compact sedan segment with a bold new model that replaces the long-running Forte. Meet the all-new Kia K4, a sedan designed to bring sporty styling, advanced technology, and surprising performance into the everyday compact category. With its aggressive fastback silhouette, high-tech interior, and available turbocharged powertrain, the K4 aims to compete directly with rivals like the Honda Civic, Toyota Corolla, and Hyundai Elantra. So in this video, we'll explore the design, interior, performance, technology, and overall driving experience of the Kia K4.
Starting with the exterior, the Kia K4 immediately stands out with a design that feels far more premium and futuristic than what we typically expect from compact sedans. The car adopts Kia's bold opposites united design philosophy, giving it a dramatic presence on the road. At the front, the K4 features a sharp interpretation of Kia's signature tiger nose grille, paired with sleek vertical LED headlights that create a distinctive lighting signature. The front fascia looks aggressive and modern, with angular air intakes and sculpted body lines that emphasize the car's sporty personality. Moving along the side, the K4 reveals one of its most eye-catching elements, a fastback-style roofline that flows smoothly toward the rear. This coupe-inspired silhouette gives the sedan a sleek and athletic stance. The side profile is further enhanced by strong character lines running across the doors, black window trim, and available 18-inch alloy wheels on higher trims. These details give the car a dynamic and upscale look rarely seen in this segment. At the rear, the design continues to impress. The K4 features slim LED taillights connected by a striking light bar that stretches across the trunk. The rear bumper is sculpted with sporty accents, while the sloping rear glass reinforces the fastback appearance. Overall, the Kia K4 looks bold, futuristic, and far more expensive than its price tag suggests. Step inside the Kia K4 and the interior instantly feels modern and tech-focused. The dashboard is dominated by a wide, panoramic digital display setup that combines dual 12.3-inch screens, creating a seamless interface for both the digital instrument cluster and infotainment system. The layout feels clean and driver-focused, with a horizontal design that makes the cabin look wider and more spacious. Materials throughout the cabin are a big step up compared to previous Kia compact sedans. Depending on the trim, buyers can get upgraded cloth or synthetic leather seats, contrast stitching, and stylish trim accents. Comfort is another strong point of the K4. The cabin provides generous passenger space, including about 38 inches of rear legroom, which is among the best in the compact sedan class. Passengers in the back will appreciate the extra room for longer journeys, while the trunk offers roughly 14.6 cubic feet of cargo space, making it practical for everyday use. Technology is another highlight. The K4 offers features like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a premium digital instrument cluster, Kia Digital Key smartphone access, over-the-air software updates, available heated and ventilated front seats. The sedan also offers a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features, including forward collision avoidance assist, lane keeping assist, intelligent speed limit assist, smart cruise control with stop-and-go capability. Together, these technologies make the Kia K4 feel far more advanced than many other cars in its class.
Under the hood, the Kia K4 offers two engine choices depending on the trim level. The base models are powered by a 2.0-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder engine that produces 147 horsepower and 132 pound-feet of torque, paired with an intelligent variable transmission driving the front wheels. This setup focuses on efficiency and smooth daily driving. For drivers looking for more excitement, the GT Line Turbo trim introduces a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine, producing 190 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque, paired with a traditional 8-speed automatic transmission. This turbo engine gives the K4 noticeably stronger acceleration, allowing it to reach 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 7.3 seconds. The GT line models also benefit from a multi-link rear suspension, which improves handling and ride quality compared with the standard setup. Fuel efficiency remains impressive as well, with EPA estimates reaching around 29 miles per gallon combined and up to 36 miles per gallon on the highway, depending on the engine.
On the road, the Kia K4 delivers a balanced driving experience that blends comfort, efficiency, and sporty character. The suspension tuning provides a smooth ride for daily commuting while still maintaining good stability during cornering. Steering feels responsive, and the turbocharged model adds a more energetic personality, especially in sport mode. Noise reduction features like an acoustic windshield and specialized tires help keep the cabin quiet at highway speeds, making long drives more relaxing. Overall, the K4 offers a refined driving experience that feels more mature and premium than many compact sedans.
The Kia K4 starts at roughly $23,000 for the base LX model, while higher trims like the GT Line Turbo can reach around $29,000 or more depending on options. With its bold design, advanced technology, and competitive pricing, the K4 positions itself as one of the most exciting choices in the compact sedan segment.
The Kia K4 represents a major step forward for Kia's compact lineup. It replaces the old Forte with a sedan that looks more futuristic, feels more premium inside, and offers modern technology that rivals cars from higher segments. Whether you're looking for an efficient daily commuter or a sporty, turbocharged compact sedan, the Kia K4 delivers a compelling package. And with its striking design and impressive tech features, it's clear that Kia is raising the bar for what a compact sedan can be. Thanks for watching Future Wheels. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more automotive stories and reviews.